Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to check the version of Firefox so you can quickly see which version you're using and make sure it's up to date. Step 1. Open Firefox on your computer. Make sure the browser is running so you can access its menu options. Step 2. Click the menu button with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu where help and settings are available. Step 3. Click Help from the menu. This section provides support and browser information. Step 4. Select About Firefox. A new window will open showing the current Firefox version number. Step 5. View the version number displayed on the screen. Firefox will also automatically check for updates in this window. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.